Well, I guess you could say part 2 of many coming for this 06 that we just picked up. Unfortunately, stabbed it with a oil pressure gauge, 0 psi. Pulled the oil filter out. Kind of opened the filter a little bit. You can see the little shiny things in there. Pretty good all over. And top side of the oil filter, definitely not looking good, unfortunately. Shiny, shiny, shiny. Went down to the low pressure pump, pulled that out. Kind of give you an idea here. I'm guessing the lifter dropped. That's a pretty good mark, especially on the outer gear. See it pretty good. Yep. Messed up the cover a little bit, but looks like it's time to lift the cab, pull the engine out, check the cams. Can't wait to find out. Any questions, let us know. Thanks for watching our YouTube videos. I appreciate all the customers out there. Definitely appreciate the people watching our YouTube channel as well. Have a good day.